Got some almonds, and then I blended it all up. Some honey, rosemary, some avocado, some more avocado, some coconut milk, 100% natural that you could even eat it. Now these other hair conditioners, if you was to even try to taste it, it's so many chemicals you just wouldn't do it. You wouldn't do it. And then I just applied it like normal conditioner. I wash my hair first, and then I just put it all throughout my hair, starting from the roots, going to the tip of my dreads. And then I just wrapped it in a bag and let it sit for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I washed it out. And there you go, 100% natural hair conditioner. No chemicals added, no artificial coloring added, just 100% from the earth. And it's been making my hair feel good and grow fast, strong, moisturized. And it smells awesome. So stay tuned and subscribe to Zeekdreads. More videos coming soon. Peace out.